So now that we've seen what keywords are and how you can do keyword research, तो it is also important कि हमें पता हो कि क्या types of keywords होती हैं that can be used in your content. So different keywords will be used to target different audiences in the process of getting organic traffic. Obviously हर audience की, हर searcher की different search queries होंगी and उसके according different keywords होंगे जो हम target करना चाहते हैं in order to get more organic traffic. So we work with different keywords to reach a broader range of audience to increase our chances of converting people from this audience into customers. जब हम एक वाइड रेंज ऑफ कीवर्ड्स यूज़ करेंगे इन आर कंटेंट तो दैट विल गिव अस बेटर चांसेस ऑफ रीचिंग ऑडियंसेस जो डिफरेंट कीवर्ड्स एंड डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस ऑफ कीवर्ड्स यूज़ कर रही हैं इन देयर सर्चेस. So this way we will make sure that we don't leave any potential customers out and that we are reaching the maximum amount of people who are interested in our niche. क्योंकि इसी ऑडियंस में से हम conversions भी कर सकते हैं because we know that these are people who are interested in this niche, so they might also want to purchase your product or your service. So there are mainly 9 types of keywords that you should consider when making your SEO strategy. There are short tail keywords, long tail keywords, short term fresh keywords, long term evergreen keywords, product defining keywords, customer defining keywords, geo targeting keywords, LSI keywords, and intent targeting keywords. And now we'll look at each one of them. So short tail keywords और जिसे हम head keywords भी कहते हैं, these are made up of 3 words or less. ये 3 words से ज़्यादा के keywords नहीं होते. These keywords can only contain 1, 2 or maximum 3 words. They are the most commonly searched for keywords in your niche, so they will have a huge search volume, but they will also be highly competitive. इन keywords पे बहुत ज़्यादा search हो रही है, तो in turn there will also be high competition keywords. So it is difficult to determine the exact search intent with this keyword, as this is what the audience first types in when they start making their search. Like I said, these are the most commonly searched keywords for any niche. So for example, if you're dealing with the pet care niche, so an example of a short tail keyword can be dog care, which is very broad and it doesn't tell us the exact search intent that the user has with this keyword. And this is the very first thing that the user types into Google when they start making their search. तो इसका लो कन्वर्जन रेट भी होता है बिकॉज वी कांट आइडेंटिफाई द सर्च इंटेंट, तो वी डोंट नो कि इस कीवर्ड पे ऑडियंस को सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए और आर दे जस्ट रैंडमली ब्राउजिंग फॉर इट और व्हाट देयर purpose for searching for this keyword is. So it has a low conversion rate, and these are the keywords that will be used as theme keywords, which means कि आपके वेबसाइट के कंटेंट पे या आपके ब्लॉग के कंटेंट पे ये वाला कीवर्ड कंसिस्टेंटली आप मेंशन करेंगे. इट विल अपीयर कंसिस्टेंटली थ्रू आउट योर वेबसाइट ताकि आप गूगल को ये सिग्नल भेजें कि आपका कंटेंट इस कीवर्ड के बारे में है, तो गूगल विल नो दैट यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग कंटेंट इन दिस नीश. Some examples of short tail keywords are words like SEO, Labradors, Lemon. You can see that these are single words and they're very broad. They're not specific at all. So if there is a website that deals in SEO services, तो उनकी web content पे उन्होंने SEO का term throughout sprinkle किया हुआ होगा. Similarly, if there's another website that is about dog care or about Labradors, तो उनकी वेबसाइट पे भी लैब्राडोर्स का वर्ड कंसिस्टेंटली अपीयर हो रहा होगा. बट इफ़ अ सर्चर ऑन गूगल सर्चेस फॉर दीज वर्ड्स, तो उसकी सर्च इंटेंट का हमें इतना आइडिया नहीं हो सकता. वी डोंट नो इफ़ when they type SEO, तो are they looking for SEO services or are they only looking for more knowledge about SEO? So these are examples of short tail keywords. Then we have long tail keywords which contain more than 3 words, and they are much more specific than short tail keywords. Long tail keywords का low search volume होता है and hence they are less competitive because they are more specific. तो ये सिर्फ वो वाली audience search करती है जो actually interested है in a specific search. तो it's easy to pinpoint the search intent with these keywords, and these keywords are mostly used for targeted pages like blog articles or landing pages, because when customers use these long tail keywords, तो mostly ये वो वाले customers होते हैं who are ready to make a purchase because their search is very specific, so we know that they're specifically looking for a product or a service or something specific to read. So an example of a long tail keyword is ABC small water bottle price. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि the user wants to find out the price of ABC small water bottle. तो इट्स अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक टर्म जो उन्होंने गूगल में सर्च की है. एंड इफ वी यूज कीवर्ड्स लाइक दिस इन आवर कंटेंट, तो आवर कंटेंट विल शो अप एट द टॉप ऑफ द Google search results, and that will bring our content and our website closer to our potential buyers. Then we have short term fresh keywords. Now these are keywords जो एक short term के लिए बहुत high search volume ले लेते हैं. So these are the words that are trending recently and they're very hyped up for a certain time period. तो इस तरह के keywords पे एक peak search volume आता है at a certain point in time, and then that search volume can go back down. तो ये जो पीक सर्च वॉल्यूम डेज होते हैं, उन दिनों के अंदर अगर हम ऐसा कंटेंट पब्लिश करते हैं दैट कंटेन्स दिस शॉर्ट टर्म फ्रेश कीवर्ड, तो दैट इज़ वन वे ऑफ गेटिंग न्यू एंड ऑर्गेनिक व्यूज़ ऑन आवर कंटेंट. ऐसे कीवर्ड्स का मीडियम कंपटीशन होता है बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी ऑफ Google searchers that are looking for this keyword, and at the same time there will be a handful of websites who are using this keyword and who are using it in the time frame when the search volume is hitting a peak. तो इसका इतना ज़्यादा competition नहीं होता. It is moderately competitive and इसकी भी बहुत specific search intent होती है because there is a certain time period जिसमें specifically इस keyword पे ज़्यादा सर्चेज आ रही हैं. तो इट्स ईजियर टू फाइंड आउट कि जिन लोगों ने ये वाला कीवर्ड सर्च किया है उनकी सर्च इंटेंट क्या है. It has a high conversion rate as well, and it can be used to create up-to-date content for more organic views. इस तरह के keywords हम use कर सकते हैं to update our content and to keep it in line with what is currently trending, ताकि जो लोग उस certain time period में इस keyword को search कर रहे हैं वो भी हमारे content पे आ जाएं. So that is one way of getting new traffic for your content and getting this traffic organically. So an example of a short term fresh keyword is कि if a new movie is about to release, तो उस movie का नाम बहुत ज़्यादा सर्च हो रहा होगा on Google, but this hype will only stay for a certain time period. तो इस हाईली सर्च कीवर्ड से आप एडवांटेज ले सकते हैं. यू कैन स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग कंटेंट ऑन दिस हाईली सर्च कीवर्ड बिकॉज राइट बिफोर द मूवी इज़ अबाउट टू रिलीज हमें पता होगा कि इस कीवर्ड का सर्च वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा है. बट रिमेंबर दैट दिस हाई सर्च वॉल्यूम पीरियड विल ओनली बी शॉर्ट टर्म. लॉन्ग टर्म में इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि इस कीवर्ड की हाई सर्च वॉल्यूम रहे. इट इज़ मोर लाइकली कि इसकी सर्च वॉल्यूम गिर जाएगी इन द लॉन्ग टर्म वंस द हाइप इज़ ओवर. Then on the other hand, we have long-term evergreen keywords which are relevant all the time. तो इस तरह के keywords के search volume में कोई extreme changes नहीं आते. कभी कभी इसका search volume high हो सकता है, कभी कभी थोड़ा सा low हो सकता है, but there are no extremes in the search volume because these are keywords that are evergreen and these are words जो अगर आप use कर रहे हैं अपने content में, तो even after a year or after 2 years the users will still be searching for the same keyword long after you have published something that contains that keyword, which makes it evergreen. तो इस पे views consistent होते हैं and whatever content you write that is focused on these keywords should also be evergreen. The kind of content जो आप इन keywords पे लिखेंगे, that content should also be something that is relevant in the future as well. Or if you're not writing evergreen content, तो you should at least make it a point to update the content over time. And इस तरह के long term evergreen keywords mostly आप देखेंगे in informative content or in educational content because इस तरह का content mostly evergreen होता है. It doesn't change as the years go by. And when you use these keywords and when you make content that is focused around these keywords, so it also adds to your authority because any kind of informative and educational content will indicate to the users that you are someone who knows about this topic, and if you use evergreen keywords in it तो आपका content उनके सामने ज़्यादा easily पहुंच सकता है.